Thank you very much, comrades. My name is Bonginkosi Gift Education Madoda Kanyile. Comrades, I have one or two issues. I'm going to be very short like my underwear, but long enough to cover the basics. Comrades, ningakhohlwa ukuthi yini esizabalazelana. Umzabalazo wethu akuwona umzabalazo wokukhipha nabantu laba sobakhipha vele. Umzabalazo wethu umzabalazo wokuthi kumele kubuye imayini kumele zi-ownwe abantu abamnyama. We are sick and tired ukuba maklina nama-security emayini. Sifuna ukuzi-owna imayini, silande bo-Rupert, silethe boChauke, boNkulu nabantu abamnyama bonkana ezweni lethu. Umzabalazo wethu uku-owna zonke izimbiwo. Phecelezi, we want the ownership of all mineral resources. We must own copper, we must own gold, we must own diamond, we must own ocean economy, we must trade as black people because this is the land of our forefathers. Singumtsinto wokuzimilela, leli yizwe lethu, hayi nabelungu. Angisibadayisile abantu belifundisa ukuthi leli izwe leli nabelungu. Leli yizwe lokhokho bethu. Kodwa asibanyanya belungu, asifune ukubaxosha. Kodwa akushintshi ukuthi leli yizwe lethu eloba bomkhulu libhilonga kuthina. Ilanda leyabo asibabangisi. I-America bayitshontsela ama-Red Indians asibabangisi. eGermany asibabangisi. La yindaba kuthiwe South Africa belongs to all who live in it. Black and white, and we must share. Yet when you go to Germany, they say Germany belongs to Germany. When you go to America, America belongs to Americans. When you go to Russia, Russia belongs to Russians. South Africa, after we take power, it shall belong to the native people. Who are the native